This is Todd Hudgel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and I'm standing next to this 2005 Sea Ray 220 Select. This boat is powered by a 350 Magnum, and this boat will fly. It is over a 50-mile-an-hour boat, and more importantly, tons of torque for water sports, for pulling tubes, for pulling up skiers. It's one owner. It's been inside dry stored since new. It's only got about 425 hours on it. It also has just had new exhaust risers and manifolds installed, new batteries, and a recent service. This boat's ready to go, good for a season to take you and your family out on the water. In addition to plenty of power for water sports or a thrill ride, the boat's got lots of comfortable seating, big bench in the back, full of storage underneath, matching his captain and companion seats, tons of room and storage in the bow. This is just a great family day boat. Take you to the island, explore the bayous, explore the bays, and just have a good time. So come by MarineMax in Panama City Beach and check this boat out for yourself.